Please help me welcome Simon.
Thank you, Mr. Toastmaster. Hello, Toastmasters and yes. Let me start with a question. How many of you like running? You run as a habit? Oh, that's great. When I say run, I mean run for physical fitness, not running which I do, running around errands and running for groceries. So I guess all of us know, many of us know the benefits of running, isn't it? Running improves our physical fitness, running lowers our cholesterol, running keeps us fit, running helps us lower the weight. There are so many benefits of running. Isn't it amazing? Don't you think all of us will take up running? Now let me ask another question. I'm sure some of you must have seen the movie of Tom Hanks, Forrest Gump, where he keeps on running. And the best part is he does not know what is the cause he is running, but the whole people follow him for 6 months thinking there is a cause he is running for. And finally he realizes that there is no cause and he comes back. But the people don't give up. They still think there was a cause. So that is important, my friends. Running for a cause. What are the various noble causes you can think of? We can think of in this world. We can think of so many causes. Fighting hunger, fighting poverty, fighting sickness. There are so many causes, isn't it? Don't we think we can all do something for some cause? Step by step, one at a time. For a moment, I would request just close your eyes for a brief moment and just think the world around you, where you are dependent on your ears, you are dependent on your touch for everything. You cannot see, you are just dependent on your touch. Now you can open your eyes. Isn't it scary? My friends, that is the world of the blind. This is what I'm going to talk about today. Running for a cause to fight blindness. Do you know how many blind people we have in the world today? Any guesses?
A million?
More than that, more than a million.
300 million.
No, not 300 million. But half of that. We have around 160 million blind people in the world today. It's a huge number. And what are the various causes of blindness? There are many. One of the main causes is cataract. Then there is glaucoma. Third is age-related blindness. And fourth is blindness due to cornea. Blindness due to cornea. That causes 10 million blindness in the world today. 10 million. And do we know, did you know, the blindness to cornea is curable? So let me start first. What is cornea? Cornea is the white part which covers over the black part of our eye, the iris. That is the cornea. So after we die, the cornea can be removed and stored in a special liquid. And that is stored in an eye bank. And the same cornea then can be used for the other blind people to restore their sight. Isn't it wonderful? Something we can do after we die. We can donate our cornea and bring light to billions of other people of the world. And the next question is, what do we need? What do we need to store the cornea? We need eye banks, of course. And of course, we are in US, we are fortunate, we have many eye banks. But the cause which I am going to suggest today for you to run is to open an eye bank in Africa. Africa doesn't have a single notable eye bank. So my friends, this is the chance. We are going to run the marathon on May 15th. And the purpose of the marathon is to collect money for the notable cause to open an eye bank in Africa. Just think about it. What a wonderful feeling. You're going to run, you have to run for a physical fitness, and you're going to help in opening an eye bank. So some of you might think, what? Marathon? 26 miles? Are you out of your mind? And just for some of you who might think not figure out what is 26 miles. 26 miles is a distance from our Switch On Toastmaster here to Redwood City. If you know Belmont, somewhere there, that is 26 miles. But believe me, it's not a lot. If you take it step by step, one at a time, you can join the marathon and practice. I encourage all of you to take up the chance to participate in the marathon. We meet every Thursdays at 6:30. We practice for 1 hour. And of course, we meet on Saturdays for half a day. And slowly we take you there, step by step, running for a cause, running to fight blindness. Let me share with you a small story. When I was young, I used to be fond of running the dashes, what we call the 100-meter dashes. And I guess when I was 9 or 10 years old, there was a particular race I wanted to win. Well, as it happens, when you want to win, you don't. So I didn't win. I came second. So and then I was sad. I was very sad, and then I just didn't want to run again. And then my coach came to me and said, well, what is it? Why don't you want to run? I said, well, I wanted to win. I wanted to come first. And I didn't come first, so I'm not happy about it. He said, it does not matter. You cannot win all the time, right? Life is not a competition. Winning is not always important because somebody has to win, somebody has to lose. The whole point is, did you gain anything by this race? Did you benefit something by this race? I said, yes, definitely I benefited. There's something I benefited by running the race, but that is what is important. So that is what I'm telling all of you. Let's run the marathon, step by step, mile by mile. It does not matter whether you win the marathon or whether you don't win the marathon, because the cause for which you run the marathon is going to help the other blind people win. Thank you.